introduce yourself?
Good day to all employers. My name is Almera D. Daguhoy. I am 26 years old. I am a high school graduate. I am single. I have one daughter and she is now 7 years old.
How many brother and sister?
I have 4 brothers and 4 sisters.
What is your working experience as a housemaid before?
I have a 2 years work experience as a housemaid doing household chores like cleaning the house, doing laundry, ironing, cooking, and took good care of a 3-year-old baby girl.
Do you know how to take care of baby?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if baby is crying?
If the baby is crying first, I will check the diaper. If the diaper is wet, I will change it. And if the baby not stop crying, I will feed him a milk, sing a song, and lastly check the temperature.
Do you have a long patience for kids?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if children is naughty?
If the children is naughty, I will caught his attention and encourage them to count numbers and sing an ABC song and read books.
Why do you want to come to Hong Kong and who will take care of your children?
I want to come to Hong Kong to earn money and help my family financially, and my mother and my husband will take care of my daughter.
Describe your positive attitude.
I'm a hardworking woman, loyal, honest, and willing to work for all the tasks given.
How can you handle your homesick?
I can handle my homesick, I will focus myself in work, and I will treat my employer as my own family.
Could you sing a nursery song for kids?
Yes, ma'am. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamonds in the sky.
Are you scared, dogs and cats?
No, ma'am, because we have dogs and cats in our home.
Any food doesn't eat?
No, ma'am.
Are you allergic to any food?
No, ma'am.
What food can you cook?
I can cook Filipino or native food like adobo and sinigang, but I am willing to learn to cook Chinese food.
Can you accept no day off but will be paid by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you accept take care elder person and assist all their needs?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to clean the car without extra pay?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise to cut hair before you come to Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
No, ma'am.
Can you promise not hair coloring and nail art?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me because I am a dedicated woman, honest, loyal, and willing to learn for all the tasks given. And I promise to finish my 2 years contract and to work with you as long as you need me. Thank you and God bless.